Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to send crypto or USDT to anyone on Binance without paying any fees. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Binance app. Once you're inside, go to the Assets section, then tap on Funding. Here, select USDT. You'll see options to withdraw or deposit. Tap on Send via email, UID, or phone. You'll land on a new page. Tap on Send Mode, where you can choose to send via email, phone number, or Binance ID. I'll choose Binance ID for this example. Simply paste the Binance ID, enter the amount you want to send, and that's it. There are zero fees when you transfer it this way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.